And now I'm taking some more sum from exercise 19C. Here is the question number 5, second part. You can see the sum from your book. Here we are multiplying same monomial to binomials. We will multiply monomial to first term. We will multiply monomial to second term. So write in that manner. Power will add together in the same variable. So x into x square, x cube, y into y square, z square as it is. Same is here, minus sign as it is. Y and y. First we will write x square, y into y square, and z into z square, that will give the z cube. So here is the answer of this question number 5, second part. So now taking question number 5, fifth part. Same, binomial to monomial, write in that manner. We will multiply together. Same, constant, here is no constant, 1, minus sign right here. So minus 4, x square gives x cube, y square. And here minus sign, 4 3 is 12, x into x square, x cube, y into y square, y cube. So here you can do the question number 5, fifth part. Now taking question number 6, first part. Here we are having the trinomial by monomials. So same, each terms will multiply to the monomial. So 3a into 3a, 3a into 4b, 3a into 5c. That 3a will multiply in all three terms. We will give 3a to 3a, 9 square, 4 into 3, 12, ab, and here 5 into 3, 50, ac, minus I and plus I. So this is the answer of question number 6, first part. Now taking question number 7, in that we are having the binomial by binomial multiply together. So we will multiply first terms of binomials. We will multiply to the both terms of second binomials. Second term of the binomial will multiply to the both term of the second binomial. So write in that manner. So x into x square, x into 10, 10x, 2 into x, 2x, 2 into 10, 20. So connect the like terms, 10x plus 2x gives 12x, x square as it is, 20 as it is. So here is the question number 7, first part. Here is the answer. In that manner you can do the other sum of these questions. Children, now I am taking some questions from exercise 19C. Here is the question number 3. You can see from your book, page number 178. We have to multiply two algebraical expressions, both are monomial, 5a square and 7a square. In the next step, we will multiply constant term, that means 5 and 7 together, and the variable together. Whenever we have variable, we will write in a bracket. So power of the variable is 2 and 7, both will add together. 7 plus 2, 9, so a to the power 9, and 5 into 7, that is 35. So first answer is 35, a to the power 9. Now taking question number 3, fourth part. Same, both are the monomial, multiplying together. A square, b square, multiply 5, a cube, b4. Write the constant term first. Same variable in the one bracket, same variable in the second bracket. Now multiply together, and you know all, whenever we have same variable multiply together, the power will add together. So 2 plus 3 will give a to the power 5, 5 as it is. 2 plus 4 gives 6, b to the power 6. So that is your answer number, question number 3, fourth part. Now I am taking question number 4, second part. Here we are having binomial by monomial. So now we will multiply 3ab monomial to the first term of the binomial and 3ab to the second term of the binomials. Write in that manner. Multiply together, constant to constant, 3 3 is 9. A and a, the same variable, multiply together. Both are having the power 1 1, so we will give the 2. B and b both are having the 1 power, we will give the b square, minus sign, 3 4 is 12, constant term multiply together. And a we are only one time, so we are writing 1 a, and b 2 times, both are having the power 1, so power will add together, we will give the b square. Now I am taking the question number 4. Eighth part I am going to take. You can see the question from your book. Both are, one are binomial and second is monomial. So what I told you, the monomials will multiply to both term. That means 3xy multiply 6x and 3xy multiply minus 5y. We write in that manner. So we multiply 6 into 3, 18. X, we are having the 2 times, x square, y as it is. Now 3, 5 the 15. A we are having 1 times, x we are having 1 times, y we have 2 times, we will give the square. So that is our answer. So we have taken 2 questions, question number 3 and 4, and different parts. So in that manner you can do the other sum of this exercise. Children are taking exercise 19C. Now taking question number 7. 7 part questions you can see from your book. Here we have 2 binomials multiplied together. Say what I told you. X multiply x minus 5y. X multiply x, x square. X multiply minus 5y. So we are having the 5xy. Now 9y multiply x will give the 9xy. 9y multiply minus 5y will give 9 5 the 45 minus sign as it is and y square. So now solving this same term, x square, 5xy negative and plus 9xy will give the plus 4xy and minus 45y square. So this is your answer, question number 7 part. I am taking question number 8, 4th part. Question you can see from your book. Binomial by monomials. So this monomial will multiply to both of them to binomials. Right in that manner. Constant minus 8 you will write as it is. Now multiply the same variable together with the solving power. X into x, x square, y into y, y square, z into z, z square. Here plus 10. Here no constant, so write 10. X square into x, x cube, y into y, y square, z cube into z, z4. So this is the answer of question number 8, 4th part. Now I am taking question number 9, 6th part. That is trinomial with trinomial. So same what I told you, whenever we multiply trinomial to trinomial, each terms will multiply together. So how can write 2a, a minus b minus c, 3b, a minus b minus c, and minus 4c, a minus b minus c. So multiply now 2a into a, 2a square, 2a into minus b minus 2ab, 2a into minus c minus 2ac. Similarly, you will multiply these all terms. Now in that manner, when you multiply, you will get the answer this one. Now collect the like terms. So first write 2a square as it is. Minus 2ab and plus 3ab will give the answer plus ab. Minus 2ac and minus 4ac will give the answer minus 6ac, because both terms are negative, will add together with negative signs. Now we are having the plus 3ab. We have done already. Minus 3b square, right as it is. Now minus 3bc and plus 4abc. One positive, one negative. So positive terms is greater, so we'll write the plus bc, and then the last 4c square. So we get the answer of 9th, 6th part. So in that manner you will do other sum of the exercise 19C.